You think hard work is supposed to feel good? It's not. It's supposed to suck at first. But here's the truth. The reason hard work feels like hell is because you've been soft for too long. You want dopamine without discipline. You chase motivation like a junkie. You scroll, binge, fantasize, anything but do the damn work. And then you wonder why your life feels empty, why your goals are still goals and not results. Let's be real. You've been taught to treat hard work like punishment, like it's some evil force keeping you from comfort and happiness. But guess what? Comfort is killing your hunger, and happiness isn't hiding in ease, it's hiding in effort. Here's the shift. Hard work only feels hard when your identity is weak. You say, I'm not a morning person? Cool, stay broke. You say, I don't feel like it today? Neither does the future version of you that never shows up. Your brain is wired to enjoy progress, but only after pain. You don't earn that hit of pride until you've bled for it. You want to make hard work fun? Stop trying to feel good during it. Start chasing who you become after it. Here's the shift that changes everything. Don't ask, how can I enjoy this? Ask, how fast can I get obsessed with the struggle? Hard work becomes fun when you stop avoiding the burn and start craving it. Train your brain to love the fight. Romanticize the discipline. Make consistency your addiction. Because the truth is, your future self isn't built in inspiration. It's built in the reps, the silence, the boredom, the sweat. So here's your final slap. If you keep waiting for hard work to feel easy, you'll never do anything worth remembering. Get back in the ring and this time learn to smile while it hurts.